Good morning, it's Monday. Welcome back to the vlogs. My name's Eirelyn. Oh no. Sir, you're not. But I have 2 classes today and a pizza party because we won the pizza party, which is really exciting. Ow, okay, maybe this was a bad idea. Also, I spent 2, maybe 3 hours editing the vlog that goes up today, like the first Christmas vlog. It was a lot of work, and it's only 2 days, so now I'm a bit nervous for the 5 days. Next week, next Monday, on the 12th, I have 2 tests, so gonna be a lot of studying during this week's vlog. But yeah, I gotta give Chester's advent calendars, which I will film. No, you need to finish your treats first. Oh no, he's found milk. I'm home. It is basically 5 o'clock. These are gonna be my Fridays all next semester, because I know my one teacher told us that she's teaching the 2:30 to 4:30 class on Fridays next semester. I don't even know my schedule yet. I don't pick it until next Tuesday, but we had the pizza party today. I think I said that. I don't know. My brain's so... Oh, I'm exhausted. I'm exhausted, but proud of myself, but exhausted. So, proud of myself because in class today we talked about a hard topic that I don't really like talking about, and something was mentioned that I also don't like talking about, but I did it, I accomplished it, and I am proud of myself because of that. But yeah, so food is getting made and I need to get studying for my tests because there is a lot that I have to study. So I'm gonna study for group work first, and then I'm gonna study for casework because casework is a lot more because I've dropped reading the textbook and like half of what I have to study is in the textbook, so. So, I have just gone back home from getting gas in Starbucks with my mom, so now it's study time. Gotta study that, which doesn't look like a lot because we did a test, so like that's the second half of the semester. But for casework, I gotta study that, which is a lot chunkier. Study time.
Shows a random KFC picture from my KFC photo album that I have of all my favorite pictures of KFC.
So I have just finished my group work study notes. So this is everything I have to study. So it's in there. I'll read them again later. I'm not doing casework right now. That is going to be too much. I'm going to do that, I think, on Friday, or I'll probably start a bit of it on Wednesday, just to get it done. But I have an interview for placement that day, so I don't know if you can see Mr. Man. Right there. The little loaf right there. Yeah. He hopped down. Little cat climber. It's just there now, but that's what I'm doing. I don't want to be awake right now. For some reason, Tuesdays are the hardest days to get up on. But here I am. I have 2 classes today, and then I'm hanging out with my boyfriend, so.
Much better.
What's the box for me, huh?
Just cleaning up a little.
So I just dropped my boyfriend off at home. It is 8:19. We've been watching Owl House for, I think, the past 2 weeks maybe now, and we are on season 2 episode, I don't know the episode, but we just finished the one where they went, Hunter and Luce went into Belos's mind, so things are getting spicy. Yeah, so today, not much was going on, but tomorrow I got a lot going on. So my class today was canceled. I wasn't gonna go either way because I was just tired, and then I checked my emails and it was like, class canceled. I'm like, okay. So it gives me time to prep for my interview because I can now shower. Dude. I'm locking you out. Let's open the jewelry advent calendar. So it's the 7th. Oh, pretty. I'll bring those to my one friend tomorrow. How can earrings be one size fit all? Aren't all earrings one size fit all? But they're pretty little snowflakes, which I don't have my ears pierced. So I have gotten dressed and ready. I'm wearing a black turtleneck and some stripy, not stripy, checkered type pants for my interview. My interview isn't until 1 and it's currently 9:16, so I do have a lot of time to kill. So I think I'm gonna try and do some homework. I'm gonna go to the kitchen to do that so I can also eat some food. And then I'm gonna make a chai after my interview because I'm not gonna have it before. I'm gonna have to pee so much. So. What are you doing? What are you doing? What's there? So I finished my interview. I changed my shirt. I don't know how it went. There was 2 interviewers and there was a sheet and they were writing down everything I said, and it was kind of intimidating. Like, they're both very nice. Hello. But I feel like I could have answered the questions a bit better, and I could have prepared a bit more with like knowledge. So I don't know. I don't feel like I'm gonna get that as my placement. They said that they'd probably have like a decision because they were interviewing someone else today too. So they're like, we'll probably have a decision by tomorrow. I was like, okay. So I guess I wait. But I don't feel like I'm gonna get it, but at the same time, the last placement interview I did, I felt like I was gonna get it and I didn't. So maybe my gut feeling is just off with interview. I feel like I could have answered the questions a lot better and could have had more knowledge going into it. So I'm playing Potion Permit. I got the game for like an early Christmas present. It's a lot of fun and I enjoy the little sounds of them talking. That's me. Oh, you can't see it. Nope, never mind. That's me. Right there. Bobbing up and down. So, I'm just playing that for a little bit, just to relax. I just got home from school. Well, I dropped my boyfriend off some food because he's at work alone. I realized I didn't vlog anything. There's my fish tank. I realized I didn't vlog anything before I left, but I'm home alone. I did not know I was going to be home alone. So that's fun. Also just carrying my backpack to my bedroom. But so yeah, I didn't know that I was gonna be home alone. But I am, I guess. Tonight my boyfriend is coming over. Chester. To hang out, but first, no, we're gonna be making white chocolate brownies, which I'm very excited for. But first, that's not until way later. So I have some homework to do. Eating me. No, 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 just let me straighten out the blanket. Buddy. I don't know how long you've been home alone. I don't know how long you've been home alone. I'm sorry. My teacher, I think I said, yeah, obviously I said this yesterday, canceled class yesterday, but she uploaded some voice threads. So I'm going to review that because one of them is review for a test, and then I'm gonna do the test. I have completed the test in half an hour. So I had 2 hours given. And I completed it pretty speedy, which I'm happy with. I liked the questions. Like, they weren't hard, but like they weren't easy at the same time. That is one thing off my list. So I won't be hanging out with my boyfriend until 6. I don't know if I should start studying for my casework test. I know I need to do the notes, and I don't know if or when I'm gonna have time to do that tomorrow. Because technically, when did my teacher say the diversity test was? So, the diversity test is now open until the 16th. So I could technically do that on Sunday, or I could do that later in the night tomorrow. People are coming home. Good morning. It is Friday. I don't have school on Fridays. Santa. I didn't vlog anymore after yesterday. And I think the last thing I vlogged was that abrupt clip of my grandparents coming home. But I was just organizing my schedule and time. So basically this morning I'm gonna be studying for my test. And then I'm actually gonna be editing this vlog tonight because I'm going to see a friend tomorrow. Well, my friend Chloe. I'm going to see my friend Chloe. But that's what's going on. I'm actually so mad because I was just gonna film the like Pop Funkos that I've gotten over the past couple days. So I just got this Harry, right? He's holding a wand. I got Harry holding the Gryffindor sword on the first day. It is the same pose. He's just holding something different in his hand. Like, come on. More creative people. Like, they were so, like, I don't even know if this one that I got is Ron, Fred, or George. Cause it says on the trunk, Weasley a Weasley. So like, it looks like one of the Fred or Georges, but at the same time I'm like, I haven't got Ron yet, so maybe it's Ron, but it doesn't look like Ron. But now I got a duplicate Harry just holding something different.